Hello, Roboman5315 here. This is an old video that I posted long ago as my first video. And apparently YouTube got rid of it because I did not know how to make a video in the first place, so I ended up putting my phone number in it, which again is no longer available. So you can, like I'm gonna say, YouTube, do not take part and get rid of this video. The phone number is no longer in use. So yeah, no longer in use for the video, or for the phone number. But please keep it up this time. It's only 5 minutes. Please keep it up. And anyone, YouTubers, please give comments on it or something. I'm getting bored. I don't know what to do with YouTube anymore. I'm pretty much just waiting to buy some new equipment, which is going to take another month. Other than that, here's the video. And if you can, just ignore me talking about the phone number. And pretty much ignore the fact that I'm acting like an idiot, because this here was my very first video I've made.
Okay, here I am, here. First YouTube webcam, whatever thingy. And, I've seen that someone has made a remote control, let's say, airplane, and I've made one at home. And I am here to show you that it somewhat works, but at the same time does not really work. Plus, for some reason, I just downloaded or registered a new webcam thing and it's not working correctly. And, I'm gonna show you it now in like a few minutes. I'll show you that it all works and whatnot, okay? Here I go. Okay, now what I was doing before is I was trying to make it look like everybody was Sonic the Hedgehog. If anyone likes Sonic the Hedgehog, anyone, please contact me, like text messages mainly. Only text messages, okay? Only text messages.
Yeah, just ignore all this.
I mean, only text messages.
Again, ignore it.
There was a thing of my plane, see? Please contact me with only text messages.
Ignore.
608-647-1319. Only text messages. And if you call, I will go and, let's say, rig a virus to go to your phone number.
Ignore it.
Actually, I'll just get my cousin to do that. I really don't know how.
Ignore all this.
Here is the plane, right here.
But right here, pay attention to.
Right here.
Because I actually still have that.
With actual steering and working propeller. I'll show you in 1 minute. I gotta turn this here and here. And I gotta turn it on. Oh, where's the switch? Yes! Here we go. Now, 3, 2, 1. And steering works. The only thing that does not work is for it going up and down. It has to be rigged in order for it to go up. It hasn't even started flying yet. That's definitely a stronger propeller or either a stronger motor. And this here is a, let's say, remote control car that's been transformed into a plane. It's my first idea that I've ever had. And I need people to tell me like how to make one. Just like the one
Ignore
that
that
actually
part
made
too.
one,
I
but
have figured out how to.
the body was
I can
all
buy
cardboard,
one.
but the rest of it
I can just
was
buy one if I want a seaplane.
regular remote control. Okay, right now I'm watching most my great show ever. This is funny. I think it's a regular show. And, okay. Is this going on? Yeah, it's going on. That thing's off. Okay.
I, of course, never got to fly.
What was I gonna do? I can't remember what I was gonna do. Can't remember. Never mind, I'm just gonna submit this to YouTube right now. And, bye.
Oh, there you go. YouTube, please ignore all of the things about phone numbers and the viruses and whatnot. Those are actually quite old. Mainly the phone number. The phone that has that is actually smashed, because I sat on it. And then the virus thing, I don't have that cousin anymore, because he moved away. Then again, he didn't really do anything computer worth, he just copied games and then took them back to the store. And let's see. I have yet again moved again. But I am eligible to get new equipment for making YouTube videos. I could also get screen capture if you would all want me to get screen capture. Also, I don't know if I think this is what a shout out is. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know. If you don't know who Markiplier or Jacksepticeye or Spears the Amazing or the few other YouTubers I'm trying to think of. No, leave my headphones alone, cat. You're not supposed to chew on the cord. Please like, favorite, subscribe. You can dislike if you want. You can leave comments. But check out Markiplier's channel if you don't know him. Check out Jacksepticeye's channel if you don't know him. You can check out Spears the Amazing HD's channel if you don't know him. If you do, I don't know. Check him out. Check out Nerd Cubed. He's funny. Also, if you want, you can look at my other videos as well. So, yeah. See you later, YouTube.